Ever had a body that decided to throw its own never-ending party? Meet Charles Osborne. In 1922, his body kicked off an uninvited Hiccup concert, a performance that lasted 68 years until 1991. At times, his internal drums solo hit up to 40 hiccups per minute. Imagine sitting at dinner with a soundtrack you never picked. Doctors and family marveled and chuckled at his unstoppable remix. It's one of those rare, real-life stories that makes you stop and appreciate the resilience of the human spirit, even when your body decides to freestyle for nearly 7 decades. Subscribe for more.